Begin with some breaking news out of New York City right now. Wall Street protests, which have been going on now for the past few weeks, they are exploding in size. Take a look at these pictures. Thousands of people are out on the streets in Manhattan right now, crowds stretching for blocks and blocks, all of them expressing deep frustration over the U.S. economy. Our national correspondent Susan Candiati is on the scene for us. She's near Wall Street. What's going on over there right now, Susan?
Well, as you said it, this is the culmination of what organizers here have been talking about for the past several days. The big march that is coming together today from where they're camped out here at a city park right in the Wall Street area up to Foley Square. Not really sure whether they're going to be hearing any speeches. For now, they're marching shoulder to shoulder in that area. Probably a few thousand people. Yet back here in the park where I am, other people are waiting because when they are through marching up to that square, they're going to be coming back here to their main point. This is where they've been camped out for 19 days now, going on 3 weeks. Again, they're trying to grow the movement, and they hope that by getting enough publicity through the social internet, through more traditional media, that more people will be drawn to what they call a social movement, that they're mad and angry about what's happening in the world of corporate greed, as they call it, and they want something to change. They think that they can affect change by talking about it, by talking about the need for things to change, and that is their expectation. Now, they told us, well, today that they've actually been able to raise about $40,000 in donations and that they've been offered much more. But they're saying they're turning down the money because they don't want the movement to be about money and trying to raise it. Instead, they're asking for help in terms of goods and services because they want staying power. So they're looking for blankets and more food donations and that kind of thing that might be able to sustain them through the winter. Wolf?
It looks like it's a huge demonstration out there on the streets of Wall Street nearby in Manhattan, Susan. But based on the reports I'm getting, it seems to be peaceful, at least as of now. Is that right? Is that what you're hearing?
Yeah, very much so. There have been no confrontations. There certainly have been in the past. But for now, there is none of that. The police are standing by. There's a lot of police power in the area. Some people are saying there might be some incidents, but others saying absolutely not. We're looking simply to show our numbers and show support for this movement. And the other thing to keep in mind here is that they're hoping that by getting more support from unions, and that's the key difference about this march today. A lot of unions are joining them to say, we're behind you because we too have suffered. There have been job cuts, union losses, health benefit losses, and cuts to various social services. And so they're lending their support to this movement in hopes, too, that it will grow.
All right, Susan, we'll stay in close touch with you. We'll follow the breaking news. A huge, huge demonstration, the Occupy Wall Street demonstration, expanding dramatically on this day. We'll get back to you soon.